Hello, good morning of class 9th E student. In biology, we already discussed about tissue. Now today we discuss animal tissue, their function and location in the body. Like number 1, epithelial tissue. You know epithelial tissue. The function of this tissue is the primary function are protection, secretion and absorption because it covers organ surface and it forms gland. This is the function of epithelial tissue. And now we want to know where this tissue is located in the body. It occurs in epidermis, inner lining of digestive system and other glands. This is location of epithelial tissue. Understand? Second tissue is connective tissue. Connective tissue. Function of this tissue, it has more matrix than cells. It also protects organs. And location in the body of this tissue, it occurs in blood, lymph, tendon, ligament, bone and cartilages. Understand? Connective tissue. Now third, nervous tissue. The function of nervous tissue is transmission of signal to cells of the body. Location of this tissue is, it is found in brain and spinal cord. Understand? Nervous tissue. Now fourth, muscular tissue. Muscular tissue. These cells are specialized for contraction and pull the skeleton bones. This is the function of muscular tissue. What? These cells are specialized for contraction and pull the skeleton bones. Now location in the body of the tissue, it is found in skeleton, muscles, heart and internal organs of the body. Understand? So this is function and location of epithelial, connective, nervous, muscular tissue. You are advised to learn and write that tissues discussion. Thank you for today.